Ever crave chow mein that's better than takeout and done in under 20 minutes? Today we're making garlic butter chicken chow mein with veggies that pop, noodles that slurp, and chicken so juicy it'll make you forget the delivery menu. First up, cook your chow mein noodles according to the package directions or just boil them in lightly salted water for 4 minutes. Drain them, set them aside, and give yourself a high five. Half the battle is already won. Now let's get into the chicken. 2 breasts, thinly sliced so they cook fast and stay tender. A little oil in the wok, sear them until golden. That sizzle, that's flavor locking in. Pull the chicken out and let it rest. Don't worry, it's making a comeback soon. Next, melt 3 tablespoons of butter in the same pan, let it foam, then toss in 5 cloves of garlic. The smell alone, that's better than any scented candle. In goes sliced onion, bell pepper, shredded carrots, and bok choy. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. You want crisp, bright veggies, not soggy sadness. Slide the chicken back in, add those noodles you set aside, and here comes the sauce. Soy, oyster, and hoisin, glossy, savory, and coating every strand like edible silk. Toss it all together over high heat until those noodles shine like they just got a fresh haircut. Sprinkle scallions and a pinch of chili flakes and you're ready to dive in. Mini soul snack. Just like these noodles, life's all about timing. Too short and you're undercooked, too long and you're overdone. Find that perfect moment and you'll hit your stride. One bite of this garlic butter chicken chow mein and you'll understand why homemade beats takeout every single time. Juicy chicken, buttery garlic, crisp veggies, and noodles soaking up every drop of sauce. It's pure comfort in a bowl. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. Don't just watch it, make it, taste it, and share it.